Let's go! What? Who?
That's impossible. What do you say, baby? Too slow. I know your guy.
Fattest fatty in the land.
I knew that's what it was, bro. I knew it was a female.
I'm just gonna do another backflip.
You good?
Pretty cool. Nice. So you straighten bars right there. Levitt Customs. That was clean!
I maxed out the suspension that time.
That was clean though! Look at him. Yes, sir. Think about that one.
That was clean.
Woo! Greased it!
The stomp, then clean right away. Almost into double whip.
Almost.
Let's see the triple.
Huh?
The triple. He needs some fuel and hydration. Backstreet Boy haircut.
Whoa!
Ready to
Should I
go.
set a backflip?
Ready.
I could be touching scorpions right now,
Black Widow's more likely.
but it's all for the back, you know?
This thing is cold. I'm thinking this one. The all black Black Widow.
That work your bike now?
That one.
Ready? That
That's
thing's-
sick.
I don't
dude.
even have to buckle it, dude. That thing's not going anywhere.
6 months in the making. Okay, he's about it. Let's see what he's got. No cigar.
Third time's the charm.
Let's see it then.
Quiet, focus on getting higher and spin faster.
I'm gonna work on landing it.
Big Mike says higher and faster.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
That's a good stretch, dude. How does that feel on your lower back?
You're not gonna land.
Alright, bro.
So I say yes.
Hamstrings?
You're not gonna land.
Check this one out. Let's see it, bro. The confidence in his eyes. Oh! The shinner.
Nah, bro, my heel.
My heel as he grabbed his shin.
Hey, my heel. Oh, my heel.
Stupid.
This one?
Look at him. Stretching like Mr. Freeling right now.
Where are your short shorts?
Got a few burns from the bike so far.